In this video, I'll show how we harvest vermicompost from a brick-lined bin. This space used to be a turtle enclosure. After it was no longer in use, I turned it into a large worm bin. Its square shape makes it ideal for producing more compost and harvesting faster than our regular worm boxes. The system works by creating two zones. One side stays moist, where we add fresh manure to attract the worms. The other side is kept drier, so the worms move away from it. Here in this video, you can see how the thriving worms have moved to the front part of the bin and are feasting on this cow manure. This method makes it easy to harvest compost from the dry side without needing to separate out the worms by hand. This type of worm bin can be harvested every 3 to 4 months, depending on the worm population. The more worms you have, the faster the composting process. It's important to feed them regularly. If fresh manure isn't added in time, the worm population can start to decline. Once the vermicompost is ready, we load it into a wheelbarrow and transfer it to a compost storage area for curing or packaging. We have finished digging out the vermicompost that was ready for harvest. I'll now show a few angles of what the bin looks like after the harvest. I won't be adding fresh manure to the empty space right away. Instead, I'll add some shredded paper to create bedding. Bedding provides a comfortable environment for worms and helps balance moisture and airflow. Manure will only be added at a later stage, once the worms have nearly finished processing the batch at the front of the bin. This helps keep them concentrated where the active composting is still happening.